Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm actually making three simple, I mean simple, centerpieces for my friend's simple wedding. Let's get started. Okay guys, so we have my supplies. You have the three pillars and you have the flowers. You got white, pink, and another type of white. So two different types of white flowers. And you have the styrofoam. So the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, I'm just going to open up the styrofoam packaging and place one on each of these pillars just to make sure, of course, that they fit before I start gluing, right? So once I've done that, now I'm actually going to start putting the glue on each one of these styrofoams and gluing them on the pillars. Next, I'm going to start cutting all of the flowers off the branches. So I'm going to do one set, a bouquet first, and I'm going to cut all the rest of the flowers. So I kind of measured every flower, like how many flowers I needed of each kind, and then I started cutting all of them. All right, I didn't even have a clippers. I couldn't find them, so I decided to just use my scissors and start cutting all the flowers. So I think most of these flowers are peonies, right? So now I'm going to start stacking all of the flowers around the styrofoam, right? So the first in the beginning, you stack them at the base, have them sticking out, and then you start to fill in the middle. So as you guys can see, how the whole bouquet is starting to fill up just by me stacking them flat at the base around and then filling them up all the way at the top. Right, so once you start adding flowers, then I should start looking around and filling in certain spaces to make sure that there's no spaces left in the bouquet. Overall, you want to make sure that it's nice and full and fluffy. Right, look at that. And always double check to make sure if you need to add anything else, you add anything else. So as you guys can see, this is one of the bouquets. All right. Now I'm going to move that out of the way, and I'm actually going to just do the other two. So, but what I'm going to do first, I'm going to just cut the remaining flowers off all of the rest of the stems and complete the both bouquets pretty quickly. Right, now that I've cut everything out, now I'm just starting to create the remaining of the two bouquets with all of the flowers that I cut. All right. I just have to maneuver them and make sure that they look nice and pleasant fill in all the little spaces, maneuver the flowers around, like I said, fluff them up and space them out, and there you have it. Look. And then time to do the last one. And these are peonies, just to let you guys know, peonies flowers. And I got all of these flowers from Dollar Tree. So if you guys want to know where I got the flowers from, because it was a simple bouquet, you didn't want to go too expensive and it would have the same effect. So I got these flowers from my Dollar Tree. Oops. All right, so there you have it. These are the 3 simple bouquets that I created just to put on the table. Nice, subtle, light pink and white colors. Nothing too, nothing too extensive, but nice. I hope you guys like them. Of course, like I said, I got the flowers from Dollar Tree. The pillars I actually got from Amazon. I got a set of 6 that I use for like any events that I may have. And the styrofoam I also got from Dollar Tree. So all of these things are, easy, simple, cheap, inexpensive, but has that really nice effect. All right, hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know anytime your girl posts another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys love them.